Welcome to an exciting review by TechWise USA. Today, we're diving into the world of grooming with the exceptional Wahl USA stainless steel lithium-ion cordless beard trimmer. This all-in-one grooming solution is designed to elevate your grooming game, and we're here to show you why it's a must-have addition to your collection. Let's get started. Are you ready to experience a grooming tool that's truly versatile? The Wahl USA stainless steel beard trimmer comes with a range of attachments, including the T-blade, rotary personal trimmer, and detail trimmer. Whether you're refining haircuts, shaping your beard, or tackling tricky spots like your ears and nose, this trimmer has you covered. What sets this trimmer apart is its self-sharpening precision blades. No matter your hair type or length, these blades provide superior cutting performance. Say goodbye to the frustration of dull blades and hello to a grooming experience that's always on point. And here's the game changer: cordless and rechargeable. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you get up to 3.5 hours of runtime on just a 1-hour charge. Plus, there's a quick 1-minute charge option for 3 minutes of grooming in a pinch. Let's talk versatility. The interchangeable trimmer heads ensure you're ready for any grooming task. The T-blade handles beards, mustaches, and even body grooming. The precision detail trimmer is perfect for intricate designs and touch-ups, while the rotary trimmer takes care of those hard-to-reach areas. With 9 individual guide combs, you have a range of cutting lengths at your fingertips. From short to long, you're in control. And guess what? This trimmer isn't just for men, it's perfect for women, students, anyone who values a well-groomed look. Speaking of value, this trimmer makes for an incredible gift. Dads, husbands, boyfriends, anyone would appreciate this top-rated Wahl trimmer that's all about precise self-care. Did you know? Wahl has been a trusted brand by professionals in the salon and barber industry since 1919. So when you choose Wahl, you're choosing quality that stands the test of time. And here's the icing on the cake: the Wahl USA stainless steel beard trimmer comes as a complete kit. You'll receive the trimmer, T-blade, rotary detail head, 9 guide combs, storage pouch, charger, cleaning brush, blade oil, and clear instructions. It's time to elevate your grooming routine. Say hello to precise grooming, unmatched convenience, and a tool that's built to last. Don't settle for less when it comes to grooming. Embrace the future of grooming technology with the Wahl USA stainless steel lithium-ion cordless beard trimmer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through innovation and style. Subscribe to TechWise USA for more unbiased product reviews, insightful tech insights, and all things innovation. Don't miss out on staying at the cutting edge of technology. Click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be the first to know about the latest advancements in the world of tech. And remember, when it comes to grooming, Wahl has your back. Stay sharp! Link in the comment box.